What's up everyone, and welcome to Robeytech, where I, Justin Robey, aka Robey One Kenobi, talk tech with you wonderful people. Every year we see a new version of Origin's the Big O, and every year they do not disappoint. Now this year, they are building them inside Corsair's new 280X case that they can modify to fit a console of your choice, as long as it's an Xbox or a PlayStation. But do they just toss an Xbox or PlayStation on the side and slap the panels on? Heck no! These things get its own custom water cooling and option to add an SSD, which you should do. And if you're wondering why, we did a video on how to improve console performance with an SSD that you should check out by checking out the link right here. Now there's an optional Elgato 4K 60 Pro capture card and so much more. Look, Origin PC is making some dope PCs. This is gonna be dope and I want it. And guess what? You can get it because pricing starts at $2,400 and goes up from there based on any upgrades and extras. I'm super stoked about this and I'm excited that hopefully Origin is gonna send us a test unit. I've reached out, we'll let you know here on the channel. Now let us know what you thought about the CES coverage this year and CES in general in the comments below. Now while you're down there, be sure to slap that subscribe button, whip that like button, and ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we post a new video. Also, head on over to mixer.com/RobeyOneKenobi and give us a follow over there for our live show every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific. Also, be sure to drop us a follow over on Twitter and Instagram at RobeyOneKenobi. And hey, we're on Facebook. Hello, 1984. We're over on Facebook at facebook.com/Robeytech. Thank you so much for watching. Now, go play some games or go look at some weird tech because there's lots more CES coverage coming up. #BeefyCores.